Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you the best features of Windows 10 version 2004. The first feature is that now Cortana is not pinned to the taskbar. When you click on Cortana, you can place it anywhere you want. Here you can see that it is not docked to the taskbar. Now you can use the type functionality to ask anything to Cortana instead of using the voice command. Here you can see that. Now coming to the second feature is calculator app. Here is a calculator app. Now you can place the calculator app on top of any window. Here I have opened few windows. To place calculator on top of all these windows, what you need to do is you need to press on this button, keep on top. Once you click on this button, it will be placed on top of all the open windows. Here you can see that even if I click on notepad or if I open anything, the calculator will be placed on the top of all the windows. Now coming to the third feature, now you can rename the virtual desktops on your Windows 10 operating system. Click on the task view and here you can see that previously we used to have desktop 1, desktop 2, new desktop, so on, but you can give the names for these desktops. Here you can see that. In this way you can rename the virtual desktop. Now coming to the fourth feature, notepad is updated. Now you can zoom the text using the control plus keys or control minus keys. Here you can see that. It's not only that, once you place the cursor anywhere, here you can see that it will show you the line number and the column number. And one more feature which is added to the notepad is that you can send the feedback directly from the notepad. Click on help button and click on send feedback. It will open the feedback form. You can simply enter the details and submit it. Now coming to the fifth feature, which is you can search online with a screenshot. Here you can see that I have opened browser. Click on the search field. You will have an option called as search with a screenshot. Once you click on that, you can take the screenshot anywhere on the screen. Here you can see that. Once you take the screenshots, it will search the net for similar images. It uses Bing as the default search engine. Here are the results. Now coming to the sixth feature, which is you can turn off auto restart apps. For example, if you have opened any browser on your PC and if you have restarted your PC accidentally without closing the browser, and the browser will open automatically once you have restarted the PC. To turn off this feature, what you need to do is open the settings. In the search box, simply type settings and click on accounts and click on sign in options from the left side menu and scroll down. Here you have the option called as restart apps. By default it will be turned on. If you disable this option, next time if you have opened any apps and restarted the PC, that apps will not open automatically. Now coming to the seventh feature, you have the option to change the color of text cursor indicator. Here you can see that when I click on the search box, it shows only the black line. What you need to do is you need to open the settings again. Under settings you need to click on ease of access. Under that, from the left side menu, click on text cursor. You need to turn on this option, turn on text cursor indicator. Once you do that, you can select any color. Here you can see that I have selected lime. When I click on the search box, here you can see that the text cursor indicator is lime. If you want to change to another color, you can do that. I am going to select pink. When you click on the search box, here you can see that the cursor indicator color is pink. Now coming to the eighth feature, which is you can see the amount of data you have consumed on a particular connection, whether it is maybe Ethernet or Wi-Fi. To check that, open settings. Under settings, click on network and internet. Under network status, you can see the amount of data consumed by the particular connection. On my PC, I have consumed 58 GB using Ethernet and 1.73 GB using Wi-Fi. And if you have a low data plan, you can set a limit for this. Click on data usage and you can simply enter the limit. Now coming to the ninth feature, you can see the type of hard disk on your PC. Open the task manager. Under task manager, click on performance. Here you can see that on my disk 0 it is showing me SSD because I am using SSD on my PC. Coming to the 10th and the important feature is that you can reset your PC. To do that, in the search box simply type reset PC. Click on reset this PC. Under reset this PC you need to click on get started. You will be given two options once you click on that. First option gives you an option to only remove apps and settings but keeps your personal files, and second option is it erases completely personal files, apps and settings. Once you click on keep my files, you will be given two options. One is cloud download and second one is the local install. Once you click on the cloud download, it will directly download current version of Windows which you are using, and you can reinstall it. So that's it guys. Here are some of the best features of Windows 10 version 2004. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.